is reporting my page. I saw a video that she did where she was swearing Ogun and saying that everything she hold dear buy if she's reporting my page. Izzy, everything you hold dear will buy. Everything you hold beautiful to you will buy. Izzy is saying that I should bring proof. When you reported my page for copyright in 2023, what was the proof? They took down the video and you flagged my page for copyright when you came to do saga with me. It is not today you started reporting me. This is my page. My page is on red. It's on risk. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? When you did this, you came and lied that it was Very Dark Man's fans. I came out to say I deactivated my page because when they must report your page and report your page, or when you are being flagged for copyright, you'll be demonetized. I came out and said I deactivated my page. You came out and said it's a lie, that my page was reported. Why are you swaying? Why are you shouting? My anger is that you are doing this your witchcraft and you are not bold enough to face it. See, my own point is you cannot be shouting saga, saga, saga and be a demon. That's the honest truth. You told your fans that my page was not deactivated, that it was reported. You were shocked when I came back. Stop telling lies. And it's the fact that you tell lies and you swear. And that is the reason why you will buy by that swear. You are asking, let she bring proof, let she bring proof, let she bring proof. My page has been banned for 3 days. I cannot go live. Why are you reporting my videos when you constantly carry my videos, carry my pictures, and you come to report my page? This is not saga. This is witchcraft. This is sheer wickedness. You picked on me just because you want to make money. As a good woman, I decided to elevate you. You say you are a big fish and I'm a big fish. No, I am the big fish. You are not a fish. You're a crayfish. Look at the way you are screaming. You've done this to me over and over and over again. Stop reporting my page. You steal my content. Every time you come and shout that let bloggers not carry your content on your picture, you react. You lie on me every day. You start up saga and tell lies. My point is, be bold. How can you be a witch? How can you be a demon, guys? I will not be able to go live for 3 days until Monday.
Blessy CEO. They play. Blessy CEO. Karma is real. They play. Never see anything.
Paraventure, she comes and starts screaming, shouting, where are you? Where are you? What she does is, when she starts saga, she will block the person, starts to report the person's page. She doesn't allow you to react to her own videos. She doesn't allow you to pick up her own pictures, and she takes your page down. And this is the reason why I always ignore her, because she's a demon. That's what she is. Bring proof, bring proof. She's reporting my account. So I practically just have to step down a bit. So I think I'm going to put the link to my other page. I could go live there. So those of you who want to share the video from the live can share the video from the live. It's fine. But I'm trying so hard for her not to put me in her kind of position. I don't want to be a witch like her, right? Saga is supposed to be, drag me, women's quarrel, but this, she's taking it too far. And one thing about me is I can be an extremist. Mine will be very brutal and very bad. That is me for you. It's fine. She said I'm looking for sympathy. I don't look for sympathy. The last time I had saga with you, you dragged the Benin people into it.
Now, true you talk. You are looking for sympathy. Blessy or adegwogwa. Yata. Iwe to adegwogwa. Ezazaga Allah egbewo Allah egbewota. A woman that said she's advocating for women. Now You that is advocating for women. Now you go the marry person where your husband, where by your wife. So you have been dating every since then. Where big born never have back. Oh, but story there. Oh. Blessing CEO. You have been dating every day, even when people was alive. Blessing, you are the one that pressure every day to condemn people. Hello, they are not hearing me. Love us, Ayambo. God bless you. I see you. Blessing, CEO, you are a demon. I see and say some Mumu Edo people, they feel say that they support you. They don't know what they are doing. They be clout chaser. I say they be clout chaser. You dey hear me so? Those Bini people, where they say they be Bini, go confirm. They not be Bini like that where they support you. They be clout chaser. For real. Oh, list to finish.
Right. Saga is supposed to be, drag me women's quarrel, but this, she's taking it too far. And one thing about me is I can be an extremist. Mine will be very brutal.
Today.
Very bad.
Unuje.
That is me for you. It's fine. She said I'm looking for sympathy. I don't look for sympathy.
Now true she talk.
The last time I had Saga with you, you dragged the Bini people into it. You are the one who looked for sympathy. You are the one who got.
She dragged the Bini people. You are the one who throw mat to the Bini people. You are the slave that throw mat, your dirty mat, to the Bini women. You think we will be looking at you? People that is supporting you so, many na Orion Bar. You never know the meaning of Orion Bar, Orionika. People that is supporting you now, bless you, CEO, many na Orion Bar. You don't know the meaning of Orion Bar. Orionika, hello. Blessing. Fair Bini person, make it tell you what is the meaning of Orion Bar. You are using the people where Bini swear for. Now then you they share a video. Blessing, not go Bini, they'll beat you. Blessing, don't go to Bini, they will disgrace you. They will disgrace you. I'm telling you the truth. Don't go to Bini, they will disgrace you. Uzua. Uzua. You don't know what you are doing. People that the Bini have condemned. Now then you they pack all body. And when they don't bug people will Bini condemn. Where they swear for. And then you they carry near body now. Bless you, are you not ashamed? You know that, you think that people are happy with you? Do you think that people are happy with you? You think say they rain because say poor people full everywhere. Because say poor people full everywhere. That is why you think you are raining. How can you go and be dating a man with my wife? And allegedly, you have been dating that man before the man by your wife. Allegedly. You have been dating IVD secretly. You are the one that ever Pedro as in, you are the one that ever made the pine fast. You made that pine fast. Because if man don't date woman for her side, he will do the one with the ass paka. The truth had to be said. What do they come here want the cover up for? The truth had to be said. You understand me? So women when they support you, they be poor people. People when they support you, go and watch them, they are poor people. They don't know what they are doing. Rich people when really educated cannot support you. Now poor individual, they support you. Go and check them. Crack chaser. If some of them are not poor, go and check them. Some of them are crack chaser. Crack chaser. See this idiot now where they call the cry. This is Echo Bete. May I show you? Echo Betutu. She came and before me the report page. Make I plan for you, bless you. See here. May you see the mumu people. Where there, those are bad space. Where they give president, they try to and they clear that they go small. If I go clear, yeah. Listen to Betutu, the person that have been reporting my page for the past 1 year. This page where I think they talk to you, so she has demonetized this page several times. Not be once, not be two, not be three. Then they call her Tuari Oyedo Polono Zua Eko Bete. We for those cyber space they call her Eko Bete. Now she a picture there so where they wear tietie pro so she na she grish pass for those cyber space. Percy we say na he rich pass for those cyber space. Then they wear tietie pro so. No Zua, don't wear Monica, no Zua. Ne worry a book more. You dey hear me so? This is the woman that is telling people that she does not report page, that people that report page, they are bad people. I plan for you when that way she take talk on.
Crowd.
Listen, may you see the evil people where there those are bad space. So the one way Izzy they do you so, Izzy is fighting for late Bimbo, and we will all of us will fight for late Bimbo. Late Bimbo will get justice. Late Bimbo, she will get justice for real. She will get justice. Justice for late Bimbo. A Bimbo is a woman that has suffered for her husband to become rich. Because of side chick, her husband buy. Because of side chick, her husband buy that poor little girl called Bimbo. And if you are a woman, you are there supporting blessing for the bullying where Bimbo see for life before Bimbo buy. Dude, you are a bad woman. If you are there supporting useless side chick to pass wife, you are a bad person. Truth have to be told. You be black Jesus. They need to pour spit for your eye. They need to pour spit for your eye. Now so they will do it for you. Your husband will buy you. Go follow child side chick. Any woman where they support blessing CEO, trust me, if you don't marry, your husband will buy you. Go marry side chick. So shall it be. Your husband will buy you. Go marry side chick. So shall it be. So shall it be. Diamonds, Jasper, God bless you. Bad people, your fool, those are bad space. Bad people, I will condemn you now. Ya I worry. Mona see Eko Bete. Eko Bete where come mad, come they talk, say, people where they report pain, they be evil. Mona wait. Brandy, Iden, God bless you. Mona see Eko Bete. Mona listen to Eko Bete. This is Eko Bete, the woman that that come out categorically pretending to be nice. Mona see, Mona listen.
You go the saga person, you go the reporting pay.
This is the woman that report this.
Person, you go the reporting pay.
Before we now start, Mona look the picture where I put for you. Ambrose Ajala. This is your copyright number 1163932271409911. That is Eko Bete copyright video. See their what do you call them? Their email ambruseloco@yahoo.com. Ambrususe, Ambrusuhe, Ambrusayoyowa. You now see their email. Facebook say make I go meet there, that code with there before they will bring back my videos. They have dropped so many of my videos as I they tell you now my page is show red. But I don't care. Eko Bete now where they report people video. Evil Eko Bete. Come back. I'm not listening to what Eko Bete talk. I'm not listening.
How not take the sleep? I love you so much. I beg social media people. If you ever wanna stop wickedness, how you go the saga person, you go the reporting pay. How not take the sleep? Go forbid Jimmy. Now wow. Now so now one just make the money. Yeah, I know they do that kind heavy evil. I still they make the money. So if you not just do this heavy evil, why me go?
Wawa. Ekobete say she know they do this heavy evil. Say if people not do this heavy evil, they know they see money. My people, which evil Ekobete they talk? These are the evil Ekobete is doing. Every day I continue to tell the world because of say this woman does spoil many people when they watch us. He has many people he has brainwashed for so many years. Though they think say waiting with the talk with the lie. How can you come out when you know you are doing something? Why be say some of all these presenters, what thing that they do, now they give message. Most of the things they are doing hide. Now they give message. Some of all these mumu presenters. Some of all these mumu presenters, what did they do? Now they give message. If you they follow presenter, use your head where most of them are evil they be. Evil ya baba. Most of them not good. They be bad people. Now how they wanted to eat to money their day. All these year presenters, some of them, every day I continue to expose them. Every day I continue to expose a Ekobete for una. Una this na play a day. How can a woman that is reporting people's page and come out to cry the way Blessing CEO they cry now? These are the people doing evil. I hear now say he don't go report Izzy page, but they come out and they cry. Ekobete have been reporting people's page. Doing evil here the small boy we put for his house that kuli no zwa. They will be reporting people's page and they will come out to social media be crying. Why are people like this? Why are people like this? Ekobete, we have why evil. I mean to follow you, Ekobete. I don't know say you be evil woman like this. See how your secret they hope. See secret. Mona the listing now. Woman that is reporting people page. Mona see what she they talk. Mona listing. Mona listing what she they talk.
How not take the sleep?
Mona the listing.
I love you so much. I beg social media people. If you ever man, no na stop wickedness. How you go the saga person? You go the report pay. How not take the sleep? Go forbid Jimmy. Now wow. Now so now one just make the money. Yeah, I know they do that kind heavy evil. I still they make the money. So if you not just do this heavy evil, why you go the evil, the other one don't start to they play on.
Now yeah, he said they don't do this heavy evil, they don't see money. Ekobete we car. Tabe waka. Ekobete 2025, you know will favor you. You will fall. Ekobete, you go fall. If you like, you bad view, bad commenters, bad everything. Ekobete, you go fall. I mean talker. Who are they? When me face now, I don't face you. You go fall. You not believe. Not be me go for you. But God go see and say now truth. People go see and they'll come they run for you. Except those one where don't pay you tire. It still be like for church. If member don't pay well for tithe and offering, you know they come over that church. If member don't pay tithe and offering well for church, because it's a mugu for life. Ekobete, people will go see they listen to you small. Now people will be say they don't be your mugu for life. They see life mugu. You hear me so? They see life mugu. So people will be say you feel say nah. They see they follow. They be your life mugu. It's a life mugu. Get where you reach so call the change. See your evil attitude. You are reporting people's page. You are coming out to be doing sympathizing. Everywhere you me with your una evil sympathizing. Una will be some of them will be beneath presenter at the fear una. Mostly women with this side. Mostly women presenters fear them. And those cyber space women presenter fear some of them. Double everywhere. I won't double several wona no wagena. Eso mo doria do ye lukuluku do ye pilakpila. See, those cyber space mona fear some those women where they do presenter. Dying. Ni mami odo yen we gbe mi odo. Ni mami odo alo because da waso kin we. Niremodo esomodoria. Esomodoria. Imagine this evil woman reporting people page coming out to do sympathizing the way Blessed CEO they do and so. Una see life, Blessed CEO they report Izzy page and she's coming out to when I smell play Izzy when Izzy they swear if he don't ever report Blessed CEO page. Izzy is such a nice girl. Izzy na ashawo wey they read book, not be gold digger like Blessed CEO. Izzy na ashawo wey they read book, ashawo wey get sense, ashawo wey get brain. Go and check Blessed CEO. Evil gold digger. Gold digger. You see say IVD gets more money. You see say IVD gets more money. You want back for there. It to say IVD na evil woman. Abi evil man. I say evil man. If IVD na poor man, you for not go there. You dey hear me so? See that only you they delete your comment, only the comment they delete. All those fake account where they follow Ekobete. Only have to laugh mugu to Ekobete. Una be laugh mugu some of una be laugh mugu to Ekobete. They go they use truth, the saga Ekobete. You will see they want corner the mumu. The mumu. You think say me or come they laugh for Ekobete body? I can never lie to do saga. Don Prince can never lie to do saga. Ekobete shame and disgrace don't enter body. He run come back on the do video. He got the newspaper body they do video since. Yeah, okay. Shame and disgrace is like Ogbeide. Shame and disgrace enter your body. All those your evil blogger, they not they see this one. In begging, in fear for. Mona listen to Izzy Omori. I say Izzy Omori. Izzy Ogbeide. Mona listen to Izzy Ogbeide. Mona see as the poor lady, they swear if she don't ever report Blessed CEO page. What the truth has to be said there. See, nobody can change the truth. We will continue to talk the truth. Now they hear me so. We will continue to talk the truth. Please, thumbs up this video, my lovers. Please, if you are watching, thumbs up this video. Thumbs up. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video and thumbs up. Share the video. They don't come oh. They don't come oh. Share the video. When I share around, now me and today share the video. I say share the video, my lovers. I say the truth has to be told. Ekobete, you don't too much for those about space. You don't too much. You don't do the brainwash people. You don't too much. Please share the video, my lover. Turns the video up for me. Make a show now. May I show now when Izzy Ogbeide come out to tell the world that he has never reported this evil get picture video. Now they hear me so. She has never reported a video that Blessed CEO, she's just lying to gain attention from the public. Now they hear me so. That's so way it be. So may I show now the video. Mona see her with my eye. When they see her, say continue to bring Monica picture, your eye go clear. What I want clear, not be report, you go report. You go bring it, what you want to do. But now they cry, just not saying no, they bring people, you know, why not they deceive themselves? Even some of you followers even know say Monica a bad person. Some of the followers even know, even knew. even knew that Monica, they report people page. But if they call the Dusi party, wow, yeah. Lare when now you be fool. You're passing a better fake can be this. Okay, Mona listen to. Mona listen.
They say you go they put for Telegram, say may they report my page. Oh, I dig ye here. Now make you rock come on. Is this reporting my page? Oh, let me want to report your page. Group I not get.
Imagine.
Telegram I not get. I not.
Mona they listen to Izzy. Oh, they listen to Izzy. They Mona no go better people with they what's here. I'm winning here. They cannot use their real account. All of the days have fake account. Mona not mad there. Mona not mad there. I'm winning here. People will go out of fake account. You will not show yourself that you know what you are doing is fake. You cannot show yourself because you know what you are doing is bablish. You know you are evil person. That is why you hide yourself for fake account and not see you. If you know say your mom strong, why you not enter real account? Enter real account they see you. I come back to go poke na for fake account for not see no man they destroy for those about space. It destroy all that way. That we not support go better. It destroy all that way. You then one corner they support a go better. May they do evil for those about space. May they condemn people page. May they out for the grow. If they touch your smell, go they cry. They don't collect my star. They don't bring my page. I go better. This year no will favor you. I mean, see, go ask. I be strong native daughter. I know there is not the brag. I be strong spiritual person. Don't let me face you. You'll get problem. I know they brag. I know they collect money for people hand. Go and ask. I be strong person. I go better. Just say I play a day. I say you go fall. Hey, I go better the play. I go better. I say you go fall. You just apply the people see in your way. You go fall. Don't be lie. Oh, we are dead. You go bad. You tire. Expenses go full your head. All those cars where they buy insurance go tie for your neck. We maybe anything. All the money where you get for social media, where you use people head to collect. What say ya here now? Not tie. Except say they not bomb me way. Except say they not bomb me way. Continue to the try. You try harder this year. You go try harder. You go try harder, but you go over you. All these people where is poor so where they collect their hard-head money. Their hard-head money go buy your head. If you here and collect in, you do ya work because of social media. We can go. Echo better. You for real. Yeah. Take kuli to go and walk. Kuli go and walk. Go and walk. Leave this Edo people alone. Go and walk. See there do I pretend that kuli omeo. And Bruce no meo. And Bruce you be wayo omeo. Surprise or bijua. So that surprise they come. Go see Bruce mama the village. They suffer. Eko better. Enough in mama grave. Go see in mama grave. They not fit cover mama grave. They leave fake life for those about space. They not fit cover mama grave. Go see Eko better mama grave. I make bije ginoto. Ije wiare do. I make bije ginoto vedo. Quand those about space they full una. Go Edo, come Edo Sabbath space the full una. Una listen to Izzy Ogbeide.
Post on for Facebook and not talking for video. I can't say me the report.
Una the listing.
Telegram I not get. I not post on for Facebook and not talking for video. I can't say me the report your page no bell wagbon. Magiya should be small picking. I get 4 monetized and successful page on this social media. My smallest page is 97,000 followers. You block one, I go to the other. You block this, I go to. Are you mad? I not be your mate. You don't know say me a queen of Facebook before
Correct.
you they follow me do saga.
Correct.
You know that.
Correct.
Why are you not replying the rest people that are talking to you?
Correct.
You see why your papa Juju will never work for
Correct.
you. You see why you will never prosper.
Correct.
You see why it be say woman need to die leave man for you before you see man.
Yeah.
Second hand man for that man.
Woman need to die leave man before you see man. Bless you, see who will come in a big girl. In a big girl. Big girl will not get sense. Now, woman will be say, he suffer follow man. You make sure say you bad the woman. If you look the IVD, you don't marry bad. IVD say, be like, who here not correct. Why begging in IVD? See, only this one, they delete the comment. A comment, why your fans just confused? Only all the comment which you can, only they delete. A comment, ziki na fancy we no what? I been on my admin they delete. Admin not delete the comment. Admin see I know na mo ya beg on me. Admin leave the comment, not delete her. Never people they see and say now some the people where bless is poor, where almost a comment is poor. For real, a comment who are soon. Get blessing us zua. Where be say you say be big girl, you get big gas, you dey chance a big girl. You go to carry man with by your wife. The time where the fair they talk and you deny, said, I don't have nothing to do with IVD. I don't have nothing to do with IVD. Wow, now body now to support what Izzy Ogbeide. Now all body I will take support. I'm not listening to Izzy Ogbeide well.
You not see your own tear rubber. Are you not ashamed of yourself? And you're a 35 and a 36 years old woman. You are with a widower. You're not ashamed with only 2 children. Single mother will not know herself. Now what bear you are born. Oh, you see your heart is so dark. Good thing will never come to you. You will never have your own thing to treasure. Not lie. Because your heart is dark. It came on. She's reporting. Should we report her mass reporting? You do nothing. You are not Facebook. You are not Meta.
Correct.
You are not Meta. You're not a Met. God, I go punish you.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Report this and go another.
Correct.
Are you mad? You didn't do your research?
Correct.
Even my own Facebook account is fully monetized.
Correct.
With over 90,000 followers.
Correct.
Are you crazy?
Correct.
It's me. It's your
you.
birthday.
Izzy Ogbeide, Ogahi. We too go believe you. Obedi here ni wate we do cyber space. Eze inya Izzy Ogbeide. Ya God gine. Ogi obat ni booking. Ogi ni cow. Izzy Ogbeide. Hello, you are not hearing me. Izzy Ogbeide. Hello, you are not hearing me. Izzy lao eze inya ni redo cyber space. Eso yezu ozuo. Eze inya They be class chaser. Eze inya Obomi adiyan le ye na. No magic gbese. Obomi adiyan le ye na. Eye na no mercy for ye people. No mercy for ye people. Now me be done spiritual. If you dey pretend follow me, you and your ancestors go catch you one day. I know they talk. If you dey pretend follow Don Prince, ancestors go catch you one day. Not be me. Because this life is full of pretending. People who they pretend that many pass. This world one they see so pretenders that many pass. Pretenders that many pass. Be careful of people. Pretenders that many pass. Every day they lecture on. Not the year. Every day they lecture on. Human being is the most dangerous animal in this world. Human being is the most dangerous animal in this world. Fear human being. Fear human being. If they say you too wise, they will base from you. Human being, these are human being for you. You have to be careful out there. You dey hear me? You have to be careful with people. I know it's how they talk. I they talk out of experience. I know if you understand. Listen to Izzy Ogbeide first.
When I go punish her, what bear you are. Go and do your findings. Go and do it. I'm mad. Ogu kijo Edward Bell. You want to run from Saguri Kerokba. Idaji. Agua.
Correct.
This saga, we go finish her. Until people get justice. Either you or IVD go to prison before we rest. And I will buy ticket and go to Nigeria and put flower for being born. And tell her baby girl, now you can rest. Good night.
Yo.
Go now go.
See what Izzy talk there. Oh, we ain't been on that phone, eh? Ain't been on that phone, eh? Ash is ready. We are ready to fight the fight. We are very ready. I pray make I get time. I pray make I get time. Because this time I know to get time again. I'm very busy. Now they hear me so. This period now I too dey busy. You understand me so? Because this 2025 we need to make more money. This 2025 we need to make more money. More money. For real. Because the people where they live fake life for those about speed, they also expire. And day, all those where they live fake life, so they go expire. Now we will call the rain. Now we will call the tell they say we buy different cars. Now just time. All this one when they see the rain now, they go gog. Now we wanna they commonize. Now we will call they use BB cars. No. Now just time. Wanna get patient. Wanna get patient. Una come see and say we wanna they commonize. Now we will call they bless people every day. Now we will call they change people life every day. Una go see and say all these echo better when they look so they don't fade. Okay, so I know we a big woman. When I see what you carry come out for live video. Give me no yak balito. Useless set up woman. No zua away. Bless
I never even sing. I never write full album finish you. You won't run for dance floor. Uriye Keropa. I sing, you dance. You're gonna keep dancing while I sing.
Correct.
Oh yeah. I go punish. I tell you, I'm not.
Uwegbe. So mo see wetin bless you. Oh, but this your saga the sweet me.
Lie. I will
They sweet me. The one where they pay me for it now, the one where beneath people now. If no say not get what you want to talk, you will keep quiet. You dey find class. Hey, Izzy Ogbeide. Izzy don't better pass most of una for those about space. What? Izzy Ogbeide don't better pass most of una for those about space. The way I tell they live my life, so easy to they live your life. You know they pack your family come at any go and check Izzy. The way Don Priest they live your life for those about space. Area family who zagazaga with media. She always come out. Sometimes you see bring your husband come out. Sometimes you not bring her. That's what the priest they do. Go and check. Go and check. Go and check. No, I say Izzy not get sense. Izzy wise die. Izzy when they see so Izzy Ogbeide. She get sense. Izzy kudos for you. You get brain. I know say they not will share this video because why? Most of them. They jealous Izzy. They will never share this video because why? They don't want to make a Dosaba space person even grow. They like to support outsiders than their own. Only if you do. Some of them were yeah. Some of them not be all. They like to support another person than their own. Don't come they tell you say, don't please I get right to support anybody or azon him, or so him, or madan him, or babo him, or babe. So y'all they look me now. Don't please I can't see. Now never know be don't prince. Hey God. They pay me say some people not even know be don't prince because why? Real life they fear people. Now fake life they attract people. Now they hear me so. Real life they fear people. If you live your natural life, people will base, but start to live fake life. They live fake life. You say people will admire your fake life. That is why Blessy CEO start for fake life. Only Blessy CEO, now he go person house, go to now he get this house. Fake life. The person where get house come and rest and say, why you gonna use my house as a sample? Blessy I believe in fake life for a very long time. Blessy CEO and fake life na 5 and 6. Blessy CEO and fake life na 5 and 6. You are using FVD to trade now. You dey use FVD to trade because you see that man as well. You see say that metinene wine how to bully women na FVD no. How to destroy women life na FVD no. You don't know that thing again. If FVD na responsible person, by now, you go see the mommy wife. Not be way be say, He never write his wife name for his chest. He not write his wife name for his body. A woman when he settle down both children for you. You not write his name for your body. Your whole side cheek. Now you go to write his name for your neck. IVD, who spoil you? Abu where ya? Make una tell me who spoil IVD. You dey wash me now. Your husband not write your name for your head. You not write your name for your hand. You not write your name for everywhere. After your enemy don't back, your husband will go write his side chick name for his body. What will you feel? You go rest where? More they tell ourselves truth. You go rest where a woman that suffer with you. When you were nobody, a woman that stand with you, a woman that said, every day you must be rich. I'm there with you. All those kind of women not come on. All those kind of women not come on. A woman that stand with you to become successful in life. After you don't meet up, you buy the woman, go marry side chick. You never even marry her, carry side chick. Call the rat side chick name for all your body. You write her for hand, you write her for neck. But the woman that suffer with you, now beat, you beat her. Think, bah. You don't even leave the poor woman. Make the woman go on her own. You make sure say you condemn the woman before you leave the woman. See where you for thought say you want to condemn the woman. One a do woman carry a man go plan for a platform. See where IVD talk say he go condemn the woman. When I see one a do woman put her for a platform. My platform now. When I see her.
I'm ready for the fight. I'm ready for the fight.
When I see her. Now IVD they talk so.
That's my blood on the step as on the staircase. This my blood and all. It's my blood. I want to know if now this woman I get this as I make it arms. I want
now people, this video why they show you so this is IVD talking that is going to finish this woman. This thing we're going to put an end. What is the end to buy the woman? Mona listen to the conversation where he said he's going to put an end. What is the end? It's to buy the woman. If to say you want to put an end, for drag the woman, go in family house, make the woman forget on that life. That finish the woman, buy the woman, you pull like say the woman, now fire burner. Mona listen.
Ready for the fight. I'm ready for the fight. Let her go and call her people. That's my blood on the step as on the staircase. This my blood and all. It's my blood. I want to know if now this woman I get this as I make it arms. I want to know.
Wait, are you people seeing it? I know the sick people. Please, if you know you are seeing it, say yes. If you know you are here, please, if you know you are seeing this video, say yes. If you know you are here, you are seeing this video I'm showing you, say yes. Make a decision. I know they see comment, I don't see anything. Hello, they are not hearing me. My lovers, if you know say you see waiting, Bimbo, IVD talk last before it Bimbo. If you know say they see, say yes. If you know they see, say no. Make a for Zuma. I know they see anybody. Hello, they are not hearing me. If you know say you dey here, you dey see waiting and they show you so. Say yes. If you know say you know they see, say no. Woman, let me know. Please share the video and thumbs up this video. This is the last video where IVD do where take back that poor lady. Hello, are you guys seeing the video? Yeah,
I'm ready for the fight. I'm ready for the fight. Let her go and call her people. That's my blood on the step as on the staircase. This my blood and all. It's my blood. I want to know if now this woman I get this as I make it arms. I want to know. And I want us to know something. These are all my blood. 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 Because I don't talk. I'm a calm person. They don't see me finish. These are all my blood on the floor. I don't know if you can see. My blood.
Una de siam. Hey, yari. Una de siam. Yeah, but yeah, we might go check. No, not the siam. They pay me. Siam. Agbe unwe, no siam. See people they say yes. I never they see anything here again. I know they see anything. See why it be say oh Edo useless Europe Edo they say the Edo Saba space we no marry Edo ma they always join outside that the fight. Okay, see what this Edo Evans Don Evans talk. Don Evans say why it be say all those useless Europe Edo women where they Edo Saba space we no marry Edo men. They always join outsiders. They fight beneath person. He go over them one day. Hey, wagbeliya me said do. Wagamia le do wagbeliya. Mona pork tasa for their body. Udaya. Wagamia wagbeliya. Mona pork tasa for their body. They not go fit do anything. Na social media they for they get mad. To throw ekaya no. Honorary grant they not get mad. Una they hear me so? Honey say yes. Lovely Bear say yes. That means they see the video. Ah, yeah, I know they see her. Una they see her. If una see there for Bini, mona be there. Post asa for their body. They know if you do anything. Video rap post asa for your body. It go shame at us. Now if they don't reach Europe or they inside their room, they forgot they say video. They're going to do zwo. If they there at no level, who be what big belly. Why you big belly or Evans don't Evans if you dey Bini? Why you big belly or Amia? Most of them they be wish. Thank God son of this. I'm gonna go back to that video. Please, more I like this video, more love and like on this video. More love and like. Make people for the see as they expose all these evil people. More like me share. Pull love. All the people they share, God will bless you now. Pull love and like. You know, they hear me so that Facebook will help me the distributor. Obeide don't use copyright, finish this my page. But I don't care. Any page where big copyright, they know they two get notification where. Now, Benon said, don't please now where I be. He not be say, now for certain I let 3 people for the watch me. You don't know why? Obeide ready to destroy this page. So that man not see page till they talk. I get many page. I get reach 5 page. You don't know. Make it play. This is why I felt get only 1 page before. Better. I get more than 5 page. You know, if you destroy this one or enter on that one, they never tell you. They play. Better. They play. Oh, see your copyright. You they come and gonna say people when they give copyright evil they be oh. Who you be? You not be evil. Obeide. Eh? You not be evil. Obeide. May I show now the video just now? Eh? I show now. Well, I see video. Where have video do last? We take by bimbo. This is the video.
I'm ready for the fight. Let her go and call her people. That's my blood. See on the step on the staircase. This my blood and all. It's my blood. I want to know if now this woman I get this as a wicked arms. I won't know. And I want us to know something. These are all my blood. 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 Because I don't talk. I'm a calm person. They don't see me finish. These are all my blood on the floor. I don't know if you can see. My blood now full everywhere. For what now? I don't pass this level now. Now she buy her some me, I've been she did feed me, I do it. No, I cannot be accepting this anymore. It's too much. So right now, I want war. I want war. Because if I can't stand out as a man, like right now, if I can't stand out as a man, like
Now the
right now,
Yera is saying you want war with your wife. Now, woman, you want to do war. Why not be saying abroad you day? No do weird. Why be saying not be abroad you day? This kind of therefore investigate the way the TT happen. You see why women not get hope for Nigeria. Una see why women not get hope for Nigeria. You say you want war with who? With your wife. A woman that you want war with. IVD, I never see you follow another person fight for this. Since we know you IVD. You never follow anybody fight apart from your own wife where they beat every day. IVD, who you don't follow fight one day for street? IVD, who you don't follow fight one day for street apart from your wife? Are you not ashamed? When I listen where he declares say he is going to put an end. What will be the end? I took by the woman when I listen.
I want war. Because if I can't stand out as a man, like right now, if I can't stand out as a man, like right now, to stop, put an end or full stop to this thing, it will continue. I have to put a full stop to it, and that is why I'm home. So I'm sorry, that's why I'm home. I want to put an end to this rubbish.
Unayera, I want to put an end to this rubbish.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
My people, what will be the end? He said I want to put an end to this rubbish. What will be the end?
Connected.
My lovers, she said I want to put an end to this rubbish. What will be the end? Not to buy the woman. Today, the woman is no more. Una way they married to an enemy. There are some relationship today. They are married to their enemy, but they don't know. There are some relationship today whereby some of you are married to an enemy, but not this one are married better person. But you married to your worst enemy, but you don't know. So men, they use women for just to produce children. Why some women, they use some men see they produce children. Now they say what did happen? May you not be that woman that married to your enemy. Or may you not be that man that married to your enemy. This is what is going on. There are some people who married to their enemy. They don't even know. Now they see what did happen? How can a woman, a man, say you get war with your wife? After some months, that woman come back. You now can't go carry your side cheek. Can't go write a name for your neck. Write a name for your hand. And that woman where born your children for you, where you take get children for life today, none of her name in your body. Now your best friend you marry like that. That is your enemy. Bimbo marry her enemy. All the name of saying one marry. Bimbo marry her enemy. You will be woman now. You not agree share video. You not agree comment. You the verse on one corner. You not agree share video. You not agree comment. You not agree like. Then they talk about your own fellow woman. Where your husband back because of side chick. You did there now because you not get hope of marry. Maybe na side chick you want me to be. Now, they talk, they address the video where they say women need to support women. But now they there, now the form say nothing they happen. Una see truth na the cover. Bimbo heartlessly, violent. If now abroad, I believe that video go still dey prison today. If now abroad this thing happen, IVD go still dey prison today. You know, see chance take the right side chick name for body. Bless the CEO is happy now. Say Bimbo is carry husband ass. Blessing, go and mark it. What he do Bimbo go still do you. What he hit Bimbo go still hit you. All of us know say you not get shame, Blessing. All of us know say you not get shame. Social media, the whole social media knows that Blessing don't have shame. He's a shameless human being. That is why any shame that come across Blessing CEO today, they overcome her because he not get shame again. For real. He no get shame. He no get shame. Mona really no say she no get shame. Make I play this video for you, may you see. When I see this video, may I play for you, may you see. Listen.
Retired Maginash.
Mona, listen.
You thief, dead person prick. Now come on and go find you. You carry that person prick. Keep her for house. Retired sandwich. Hold glory. Revival make I say. I Maginash. Ogugbera bougie. Ologolagba sele bougie. Egugbera bougie. Olagba solagba. You wanna say that to me? You come for the crown in my hand? My Yoruba crown. Say me. Let me tell you something. My husband studied electrical engineer in the University of Birmingham. University of Birmingham. He has a master's degree. Shebi.
Now, people, this is what I call better second do people with the young Italo. Echo better. Echo better too. I pass it. Now, easy you call the support now. Echo better. Easy the way with your brother. Very big brother there. Echo better. We walk, bere. Easy way you don't insult. He really bless to see you now. He said that. If I say, I go to job bless to see you for this one, you know, will favor me. Maybe I buy joy easy. Echo better stop fake life. Better stop fake life. Better betutu stop fake life. Echo don't wow. Stop a fake life. See the high. See. Me never know say that blessing see your fake life. Now Echo better for the land. Echo better. I never know say that blessing see your fake life. Now you for the land. Although when I have you fake life presenter. Ah, God. See there.
You thief, dead person prick. Now come on and go find you. You carry that person prick. Keep her for house. Retired sandwich. Hold glory. Revival make I say. I Maginash. Ogugbera bougie. Ologolagba sele bougie. Egugbera bougie. Olagba solagba. You wanna say that to me? You come for the crown in my hand? My Yoruba crown. Say me. Let me tell you something. My husband studied electrical engineer in the University of Birmingham. University of Birmingham. He has a master's degree. Shebi no be man they cover woman. Even if I not go school, my husband's certificate cover me. Maginash. Ogugbera bougie. Ogule kill you. Maginash. You carry expired sandwich, leftover sandwich, they give am food. See the shoe where I didn't wear. You carry your shoe, give her Maginash. You know the shame, Maginash. You think that person husband keep. You know the shame. I'm a family woman. I sit at home and I raise kids. If it's easy.
My people, now they hear matter. Go digger, don't enter person house. Go digger. Go digger. Why am the go digger? Go digger.
Married man put for us. Men man put it for they feed man. I don't know how to brag. You want to compare yourself that is a Nigerian with me that's in the UK spending pounds? I don't like to brag. I don't like to brag. I don't like to brag. Magin Nash. I sing, you dance. I wanna boy. I say le boy. Magin Nash muli vile boy. Ogule bushe, ogule sebe, ogule sa. Magin Nash. I sing, you dance. Ha! Saga. Maginya, she go come out, we go saga. You go nowhere, Maginya. I bring you to the mud. Now mud that comes.
Oswald, no they run, no be you the run, huh? Are you not the one running? Ekiaku they call you, you are the one running. You don't they get mad, that's also matter you get, that's all you come better see be. Oh no wajive. Nah, don't know why, blah 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 blah. You don't they get mad now, but now you they run for Ekiaku now. Ekiaku they call you, you they run. Wagbeo, done.
Now mud, potter. I be a shower we marry. I be a shower we marry day for us. I be a shower we marry. Egule bushela, egule zipapapa, ogule vajajaja, egule zialala. Retired sandwich. You carry IVD put for us. Magin Nash, you know the shame. For body men where you decide to choose. After everything where you preach, you carry retired person. Raise in glory. Raise IVD glory, make us see. Raise in glory. If you say your total get great.
See, you be big fool. See, bless you, see you be big fool. You know your guesses at all. Poverty go digger, they worry you. Small money where IVD they give you, now they shock you. You know your real guesses. See what you hear the talk. See how your local. Now this local person now, all those year they deal with all tabaf or those abas. Now you that the first thing that they take the chase class. You will not get sense. We're not zua. You will ikeleshi abi they call the other blessing. Blessing the other way want beat you up and die the wrong. Ekwe muwe. Now to get mad to you, they see what you the to rubbish. As you local. You know the shame. Or you made a visit abroad. You know if you visit abroad. Local champion. You know if you visit abroad. You know you see how you made a visit at Europe. We're visiting one Europe. You're there. We are from Kogi State. The entire Lagos. From Lagos to Kogi State there. You they craze up and down. Then when you go Abuja, you say like don't finish. Mugu. Not travel, maybe you see say travel a part of education. Mugu. How many years you don't enter UK once, you don't enter France once, you don't enter Italy once, you don't enter America once. You never get Europe experience, nothing. You're there, the back clothes, or click clothes for his ass. You're the back, click. You come and see these are my wardrobe set. These are my wardrobe set. May they share the company where for they make money. They go show us one place where they do nails. Now that place they get money, we take beautiful as nails. More nails will be cost money they call the place safe. Go digger. Because you say IVD na mumu, you feel even every year say the white beans where they drive. Now IVD will give you the time when people never ever buy. People never they use that kind of beans where IVD give you. Some men, when they take care of, some men, when they respect my wife, it's very important. Woman will born for you, when you deal with, respect her. Even though they want carry side chick, but respect the one you get for us. Even though they want carry side chick, respect the one you get for us. Very, very important. Not bad the one you get for us because you want carry side chick. It's bad. It's evil doings. Go see how video live, do the second now. If they drink, they see people every day, but no, they know. See how he be like who they smoke manna. Go and look at VD. Person will get millions, where they sell cars, where get car 30 million for a can stand. You get car 40 million for a can stand. Go see a black one the chop. You get that VD because why? Evil that mess does. Evil that mess does. You cannot marry a woman. If the woman tire you, tell her may go meet the family. Then say you go buy that woman. I will not be there. That you no, I'm not a support of those rubbish. Women are special. Forget it, some of them, they fuck up. Women are special. Kudos to women. If you know, say, you be woman, you dey wash me, say, God bless me. If you know, say, you be woman, you are watching me, tap out for this place, say, God bless me. Because you don't know your worth. You don't know your worth. If not be una, we will not if we produce anything for this world. If not be una, we will not if we produce. There are some animals where they don't say woman. There are some animals, they don't say woman for a certain animal. Only men that they say. Because women, the women for those animals, they're valuable. So if you be woman, you are watching me say, God bless me as a woman. If you're not rattan, you are your own. If you are a woman, you are watching this program, say, God bless me as a woman. Now that they make this word get production. For real. If not be una, we know carry our bola go meet wound. We know if we go the knock wound. Make it knock it around apart for una. Now they cool our brain down. If our brain too hot, we still knock, our brain will still come down some more. So kudos to una. Anywhere you dare, you be woman, you cross across this video, say God bless me. You get why? I know so many women don't go right on. Now go check. Many women don't go right on. If you are a woman, you are watching me, say God bless me. As a woman, you get why? You dey hear me so? If you are a woman, you are watching me, before we continue, say God bless me. I want to the right time. If you are a woman, you are watching me, say God bless me. To become a woman, it's not easy. Una get respect. Una dey fall una heart. Una not sabi support una self. Una do dey jealous una self. Women supposed to get the highest strong unity in this world, but now they jealous una self. Now they jealous una self. Now they jealous on yourself. If you are a woman, you are watching me here, and you be real woman, you not be a year woman. Say God bless me. Except you be a year woman if you not talk. Presenter speak well. Say God bless my wife. Presenter speak well. You be man. Presenter speak well. We are here. Joy John say God bless me. These are responsible women. Eh? These are better women. Eh? Some women, they now, shame not let them comment. Shame, because they be pupils to people. Some women, they now shame not let them comment, because why? They be servant to some presenters. They be servant to some presenters. They be slave to some presenters. Shame not let them comment. It's a shame. It's a shame. You hear me so? It's a shame. Some of the people who even they watch us, they even worse past some presenters. Some people who they watch us, when I say presenters, some people who they watch us, some of the worse past some presenters. If I tell them, I don't believe. You don't go believe me. That is why they sit down, please, all of the they don't know, they confused. So if you are a woman, you are still watching this video, continue to say, God bless me. You get why? Say, God bless me, not fear. You don't know what you be to the world. You born one pikin, you born one pikin. It be +1 to the world. You born 2 children, now +2 to the world. You don't know what you be. You are a producer to the world. Now they make the world get population. If not be una na lie. Me where they toss now woman born me. Now woman born me. Now they hear me so. So if you are a woman there, you know if you say God bless me as a woman, you don't know what you are doing. I don't want to call names. People just there, they watch me now. They feel well for made mistake. People dey here now, they defend where Don Prince go for made mistake. They don't defend my mistake. Wani gwale mistake in. People they watch me now, they defend Don Prince mistake. Iwo gonga gbeluwa wani gwale mistake in. Ogonga gbeluwa. Oviaga gbeluwa. Uloko nuro nigbe. Oga gbeluwa ni gwale mistake in. I don't know now some of you now. I don't know some of you now. Wani gwale mistake in. Uloko nuro nigbe. Oga gbeluwa ni gwale mistake in. Those one where they support me sincerely, now God will bless you now. I'll continue to pray for you now. Those one where they watch me sincerely, I'll continue to pray for you now. Now God will bless you now. When I not wrong, that's not the wrong. Wale! I mean pretenders. This I don't know now. I know many of you now. In your one boom, when I not play. I know many of you now. For real. For real. Truth is very bitter. Now they look for clout chaser. Upu no vone one wasa me. Upu no vone. That is why big men they use on our head. That is why big men they use on our head. Una see my way get money for this abroad. He go sit down on our head. Because of some of things what they do. Now this is the world, not the sea. The world is watching everybody. If you like, they pretend. If you like, they pretend. The world is watching everybody. You hear me, so? The world is watching everybody. If you like, they pretend. Say nobody, they see you. Nobody, they see you. They pretend. Yeah? They pretend. Nobody, they see you. So, as I was saying, Blessy CEO. You know if you win this fight. You will see her. You know if you win now. All of us continue to support Blessy and support Izzy Ogbeide. For real, all those Benin people they support you now, go check their life. Money will fall this year. All those Benin people they support you, Blessy CEO with Edo Sabah Space. As far as now, me can be the president of Edo Sabah Space. Me, Don Prince, I'm not the president of Edo Sabah Space. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to me. I'm not the president of Edo Sabah Space. I not be social media president too. Social media president of Nanoa, I be Eddie Murphy. Me, I be Edo Sabah Space president. It's different for social media president. Now they hear me so. Edo Sabah Space president. Now be Don Prince, Don Spiritual. Now me. So congratulations to me. I will use the power where. I will get my own school. If you know, say you dare Edo this thing, you want to join my school, call me. I put you for my school. If you know, say you dare Edo Sabah Space, call Don Prince. I will have you join my school. Call me. I will have you join my school. You go viral. Everybody will know you. Anybody will touch you will unleash her. For real. Anybody touch you, touch your family, will condemn their life for media. No, not fear. So, Blessy CEO, Eko Betutu, wala wa, fake people, fake life. Betutu, la wa amuwe. Your shame not be here. Better.
How not take the sleep? I love you so much. I beg social media people. If you ever man, no na stop wickedness. How you go the saga person? You go the report it pay. How not take the sleep? Go forbid oh. Jimmy. Now wow. Now so now one got to make the money. Yeah, no they do that kind heavy evil. I still they make the money. So if you not just do this heavy evil, why me go the evil, the other one don't start to they play audio. Now wow, why we thank God. I said I can't talk quantity today. Now so My Facebook say you no go talk am since morning for no reason. I for
Shut up here, ko better no lawa mugu. Fake life. Fake life we do ya build you don't buy view. Don't reach this level with this. Not be view you bad because you say view. Now they give you a life for those about space. Una say that to bad view. Now tell they intimidate people. If not don't bad view finish, who they live real life? Una say not they trained. People not they watch her. And I'll be the first person to watch the person. Now I'll be the first person to watch that person. Una don't bad view finish, they deceive those people for those about space. Una call the pretend say the rest people not they trained. And they watch the video. Una will fake on a video. Una will boasting now, buy everything to boasting the video. When why you boasting they say real people where they talk. You never say for fear. Imagine say I come better go they live video. 800, 1,000 go they watch a video you say 15,000 views after 3 days. Fake life. A video say 15,000. You know they see Izzy Ogbeide go they live video. You know even this so-called Blessy CEO go they live video. Before Blessy CEO finish your live video, 140,000 don't watch am. That's original. Now later that one Blessy for not they do fake. For that live video, Blessing not they do fake for that one because me where they talk don't please you get one time where they never collect my page. When I they support to be that time, if I do video on that 1 hour 50,000 don't watch am. On that 1 hour 200,000 don't watch am. Because my page peaked that time. I don't know say all these people they jealous me. Infinity Care, they jealous me. Every day, Infinity Care, they call me Don Prince. You don't go viral now. You don't go viral now. Your video every day. Oh, yeah, tear me. I know go viral before. From there, they say Infinity Care start to they start to give me copyright. Evil people. Just because they say one person go better. It's that period. If I do video, come better they smell a video. It's that period why they support to be that time. If I do video, come better they smell a video. Now me do video, 1.4 million watcher. Go and ask 1.4 million for live video. 50,000 like. 50,000. Nobody don't get 50,000 like for those about space. Nobody. Go and bring the video. 50,000 like. Now they put for that video. 1.4 million watcher in less than 3 days. Why I take support to be that time? As they just see, Infinity Care, if you pay me 1,000, the first month, the other month, pay me 1,006. Start to the cry. Not be he get money, oh. Na Facebook get money, oh. Money will be saying, I can't put. Before you know, you all come in the next month, say, don't strike me. What do I do? What do I do? Jealousy people. Now where they follow them, that is, now they don't want me to better pass them. A co-better cannot agree you better pass her. La la. If you better pass a co-better, you are a greatest enemy. You don't know. I wait to a lady, no man will mass here. For life, if me get boys, if I don't get boys now, say I don't dey where I don't get boys, I will make sure say all those boys even better pass me. I will make all those my boys make them trained. Very soon I will get boys for this media. I will get my own team. I will get my own team. I will see everything. I will see the way team, the way they support team. I will support my team. May they blow. Don't be a co-better way they use people till they grow. They use people till they grow up and down. They hear me so? They use people they grow. One of the wise. If you know say I don't make sure your name for this video. Not if you say maybe I just look up, get why. I see the wash. If you know say I don't mention your name for this video, I see the wash. Because me, you get the way I take day. Now they hear me so. You get the way I take day. For real, they know me right from Peking. You get the way I take day. You get where they respect people reach. If you don't respect yourself, you will collect. The hear me so. You get where they respect people reach. If you don't respect yourself, you will collect. Oh, what do twagbi? Ne kwe amuwa. Ewa pamare egon. Ewa pamare egon ne kwe amuwa. Ewa pamare egon. Mona de shame. No be alone na mare egon. No be alone na mare egon. Wage kwe amuwa no walawa. Wage kwe amuwa. Ewa pamare egon. Ame ne kwero egbe. Afiokoto afikata. Mona de shame o. Well, let me cough on now. One of the shame. Avo rien ni ka, orion ba conglomerate. Avo orion ba conglomerate. Wage kwe amuwa. Iye do gbawane. Iye do gbawane. Wage kwe amuwa. This year, you know, go suit many people. You know, go suit many people. Because on me why your boost do cyberspace now. You know, go suit many people. Not be like they talk. Now maybe done spiritual. So all my lovers, now God will bless you now. All my lovers where they follow me genuinely. Well, not because of one person they say, and because of this person they follow you. Fine. As a person for those cyberspace, or you be viewer, you get right to like many people. Not go to mumu yourself. You get right to like, not go because of one person, say because of this person they like this one, because of this one they like this one, because of this one, you confuse. You are a confused element. You are a confused element. Do you know how many people wait there? Yes, shame not let them comment. They don't know the way it is stand now. Many people they watch me since I don't want to call their name. They do not this their Facebook, not they show us their name.